Most people think that you need thousands of dollars to start investing, but I'll show you how even $100 can turn into real wealth over time. So let's break it down in this video simply step by step.
We're going to talk about something that plays a big role in your financial future: investing. Whether you're just curious or ready to start, understanding investing can help you grow your money and reach your goals. So, what exactly is investment? Simply put, it's when you put your money, or sometimes time and effort, into something now worth $1,100. Your ROI is 10%. That means you earn 10% more than what you started with. ROI helps you compare different investments, even if they seem really different, like real estate versus stocks. Of course, investing isn't without risk. Risk means there's a chance you could lose money or not get the returns you expect. Usually, investments that offer higher potential returns come with higher risks. Your comfort with risk, what we call your risk tolerance, depends on your personal situation. Maybe you're young and can handle ups and downs because you have time to recover. Or maybe you're nearing retirement and want to be more cautious to protect your savings. One smart way to handle risk is through diversification. Think of it like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead of investing all your money in one stock or asset, you spread across different kinds of investments. Why does that help? Because if one investment loses value, others might gain or stay stable, balancing things out. This way, your portfolio won't take a huge hit from just one bad investment. Getting started might sound tricky, but there are some easy ways in. Retirement accounts like 401k, or IRAs let you invest with tax benefits, and sometimes your employer even chips in. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, let you buy a bunch of stocks or bonds at once, so you're automatically diversified. And if you want, robo-advisors can build and manage your portfolio for you based on how much risk you want to take. Now, here's something really powerful: compound interest. This means you earn money not just on your original investment, but also on the money your investment already made. Imagine investing just $100 a month and earning 5% per year. Over 30 years, that could grow to almost $200,000. That's the magic of time and consistency. Let's quickly break down the types of investments you might hear about. Ownership investments like stocks and real estate. They can grow your money a lot, but can be risky. Lending investments such as bonds, where you lend money and earn interest. Usually less risky but with smaller returns. Cash equivalents like savings accounts or money market funds. Very safe, but usually earn the least. Knowing these helps you build a plan that fits your goals and comfort level. Before we wrap up, here are some quick FAQs. When should I start investing? The sooner, the better. Even small amounts can add up thanks to compound growth. Should I pick real estate or stocks? Both have pros and cons. Stocks are easy to buy and sell, while real estate can provide steady income. Is investing risky? Yes, but smart planning and diversification help manage that risk. How much money do I need to start? You can start small. Some platforms let you begin with just $50 or $100. The bottom line: investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth and secure your future. By learning the basics, understanding your own risk comfort, diversifying your investments, and staying consistent, you can turn even modest savings into something meaningful over time. Remember, the key is to start early, be patient, and keep learning. Your future self will thank you.
Now, if this video helped make investing more clearer, imagine what you will learn next. Subscribe and let's keep growing together.